Let's add some sophistication to our program. Maybe allow users to add their names to the Hello World message. But to do that, we would have to store the name somewhere. We can do this by using variables. So, let's assign the name entered by a user to a variable called AnyName. Let's say AnyName equals to input. Remember we used the input function earlier? Here, we use the same input function which should be equal to what is your name followed by a space. Don't forget to add the brackets and the inverted commas. Next, we will use the print function to display the message followed by the name. Do notice that we have now included the variable which stores the name within the print function by separating it with a comma. Take note of the exact syntax used. As a programmer, you will need to know the syntax at least for the basic functions. So, aren't variables useful? You can use variables to store numbers too. Look at this example. We can say A is 20, B is 10, and C equals to A multiplied by B. Python uses the equal symbol as an assignment operator to store the value of an expression in a variable. Now, if you type the variable name C, the value of C is returned as 200. We must note one thing here. An input is always treated as if it were text that is non-numeric, even if the input contains digits. Unless we use an appropriate function to convert the input, we will not be able to perform any arithmetic operation on the input. How do we do that? You will learn all that and more in the next module.